Hello everybody, my name is Joy.
My name is Joe.
And today we're going to be teaching you one of the most common words that have two words together and they both have two third tones and how we're going to change that. And just remember that this rule applies to all third tone combinations and the word is 好, which means good or very. So Joe, what are some phrases you know that have the word 好 in them?
Probably 好吃.
好吃. This is the first thing. If you come anywhere in China has really great food, so you would say 好吃, and if it's really good, you say 好好吃. Did you notice that I just did the tone change? 好吃
and 好吃. Oh yeah, there was some difference.
So this is exactly what we're going to talk about. 好吃 and 好吃, but the words are actually the same. Okay. Do you have any more phrases that you can think of that have 好?
好喝.
好喝好吃好喝, of course. So it's really good to eat and it's really good to drink. So it tastes really good. So 好喝好吃. How do I say if it's really big?
好大.
好大. Wow, my dish is so big. The portion. One more time.
好大.
好大. Yeah, so a lot of people go to American restaurants. They're like, 好大.
Yes.
It's like way too big. Different portions than in China. Okay, 好大好吃好喝. All right, so we're going to go to the variations, and I'm going to give you one word, and you can sort of hear the difference. So instead of 好吃好喝好大, I've got 好久好久
好久好久. Was that correct?
Yes,
Okay.
Exactly. 好久 means, oh, it's been so long, super long time. 好久. It's like, I'm waiting so long for you. It's like literally like a good long time, so really long time.
好久.
好久. All right, I also have 好美好美
好美好美, which means very beautiful.
Oh, and you want to say that about everybody you meet here, obviously.
Joy, 你今天好美.
Oh, 谢谢. 好美. Okay, or you can say that about a scenery or a painting, anything that fancies you. Okay, I also have 好丑好丑
好丑好丑, which is basically the opposite of 好美. So it means very
so ugly. And you have to sound very depressed or very angry. 好丑
好丑
Unacceptable. It's too ugly. All right. 好小好小
好小好小, which means very little, very tiny.
So an American coming here probably would see the portions. 好小. Why is the burger so small? Or why are the portions so small? I need like 4 of these.
So American portions,
好
大.
大.
Third tone and fourth tone, right?
Exactly. 好大. And then
Chinese portions,
好小.
好小. So it's second tone and the third tone.
Good. So that tone's changed. Good. All right. We've also got 好远好远
好远好远, which means very far. Yuan means far.
好远. Oh, like if you say, oh, where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Germany, actually.
好远
好远. You get to hear that very often once you say where you're from. Oh, that's so far away. 好远.
Yeah, very common for them to say that. Okay, and I've got one that's 3 words. We did a little bit of a preview of that before. 好好吃好好吃
好好吃好好吃. So this means very, very good to eat. Like very good to eat.
Extremely yummy.
Yeah. So we had 好吃, which is third tone and first tone. 好吃. But when you have 2 hou's together, it's 好好吃.
Exactly. And I've got one more. That's 好好笑好好笑
好好笑好好笑, which means very funny, like very, very funny.
So when somebody says a joke, you're like, oh wow, 好好笑. You're like, oh, that means that standalone can mean that's really funny. All right, so I'm going to give you the rule for when there are two third tones put together into a phrase. So normally we have two third tones, but when we do the variation, the first one becomes the second tone. So it goes 好笑, 好笑. That becomes second tone, third tone. And again, 好 by itself originally is third tone. That becomes 好笑, second tone, third tone. All right, and that's it for today's series. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
And we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.